Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. I hope we all have understood the chapter and done the reading of this chapter. Lesson 13, Green and Clean Earth. So we have already discussed this that we celebrate Earth or Environment Day on June 5. Now we are going to read about different types of pollution in this chapter and biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste and how to reuse, recycle, reduce and refuse them. Okay, so let us begin. Everything that surrounds us, including air, water, animals, plants, is called environment. So once again, those who have not attended the class, please see the video and try to understand the chapter. That what is environment? Everything that surrounds us on this earth is called environment, including air, water, animals, and plants. Clean air, clean water, and food are the basic needs of all living organisms. So, these are the three things that we need, and they should be clean for us to live. Okay, our forefathers were conscious of their environment and would never do anything that could cause harm to it. So our forefathers means our ancestors. They were very conscious means they were aware that they should save the environment and keep it neat and clean. So they never used to do any activity to harm it. That time industrialization also was not there. Population was also less, so it was much better. So they lived in a clean and green environment and led a healthy life. So you all know that pollution causes many diseases. So for leading a healthy life, environment should be clean and green. But in today's world, people are clearing forests to make shelters because you all know that population has increased, so we need more space to live. That is why we have to clear forest. More and more cars are running on the roads. Industries and factories are increasing day by day. All these things are polluting air, water, and soil. So when the population increases, the requirements also increase, and then we have to have more and more industries and factories for fulfilling the requirement of the people. Now let us see how many types of pollution are there and what is pollution. Pollution can be defined as the presence of harmful substances in air, water, or land. So there are three types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. And whenever some harmful substance mixes in these things, then the pollution is caused. The harmful substances which pollute air, water, and land are called pollutants. Pollution can affect all living things. Now let us read about one pollution, their causes and their effects. Pollution are of many types. First one is air pollution. When any harmful substance is added to air, it is called air pollution. And the causes already we have discussed are factories and vehicles burn coal, petrol, and diesel, which produce smoke. Some toxic gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and methane come out of them and pollute the air. Felling of trees on a large scale, that is deforestation, also causes air pollution. Felling means cutting of trees. When the trees are cut on a large scale, it is called deforestation. And when there are less trees, they cannot purify the air or take in that much carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and thus the air becomes polluted. Smoke and ashes from volcanoes pollute air. You can see how much smoke is coming out of a volcano when volcano erupts. So it also pollutes the air. Now, effects of air pollution are polluted air causes respiratory diseases, means diseases of your lungs, nervous disorders, nausea means vomiting, and headache. Headache means sir dard. Sometimes it causes acid rain also. And when the rain is there, rain is sorry, suppose the it is raining and there are a lot of smoke, dust in the atmosphere. Then it comes with the rain down and it causes acid rain. Then prevention of these things are, we must use clean fuels such as CNG, LPG to run our vehicles. So we can prevent air pollution by these things. So let us see what we must do. First of all, we should use CNG and LPG in our vehicles. We should not use petrol and diesel. Then we must get our vehicles checked for pollution on a regular basis. This is also important that every 6 months we should get our vehicles checked for pollution. Factories must be set up away from populated areas so that if it pollutes the air, then the people will not be affected. So factories should be out from the away from the polluted areas. Factories must install tall chimneys fitted with filters to release smoke and gases high up in the sky. That is why factories have tall chimneys, so that the smoke goes up in the sky and does not pollute the air near the earth. We must plant more trees which help in reducing pollution. So planting of more trees is afforestation and is also helps in reducing pollution. Water pollution. So the presence of harmful substances in the water of river, lakes, ponds and oceans is known as water pollution. And what are the causes of the water pollution? Are here that people living near the water bodies throw their household garbage into the river. You can see so how much garbage is there in the river. You can see the polluted river here also. So we should not throw the garbage in the water. They wash their clothes, utensils and bathe in the water. You can see a woman washing clothes near the river. And also you must have seen many times that buffaloes and cows are being washed in the water. Then some people wash or bathe, sorry, sewage water from cities and towns are discharged into river, lakes, oceans. It makes the water dirty. Now you can see the sewage pipes, so this big sewage pipes, they are throwing water in the river. So this dirty water of sewage should be first treated and then released in the rivers to prevent pollution. Factories release toxic chemicals directly into the water bodies. You can see a factory here and it is releasing the toxic chemicals in the water body. Then rainwater carries extra fertilizers, pesticides and other chemicals and deposits them in water bodies. So when there is rain, then the fertilizers, pesticides which are sprayed on the plants in or crops in the fields, they come with the rainwater and mix in the water body. So that also causes lot of pollution. Now the effects of water pollution. Drinking polluted water may cause diseases like typhoid, skin diseases, etc. Some fishes die due to polluted water. So not only humans but also animals are harmed due to water pollution. So how can we prevent it? Prevention means रोक सकते हैं. हम कैसे रोकेंगे water pollution को? We must not throw garbage in the water bodies. कूड़ा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. We must not wash clothes, utensils or bathe animals in water bodies. We must use optimum amounts of pesticides and fertilizers. That means we should use very less pesticides and fertilizers. The sewage water should be treated before discharging into water bodies. We should treat the water before leaving in the water bodies. So children, this was air pollution and water pollution. Now next, third one, soil pollution. We will read in the next class. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day and read the chapter again. Okay.